Ooh wee!
Shit on my business, niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image.
Look, hey!
Slow me down for a couple days, but I'm back now. Yeah. Everybody wanna be my friend, cause they know I'm living when I rap now. You can tell the labels ain't a couple million, I'm still independent, I'm the fucking GOAT. I still got my 40 on me in the produce section, buying groceries out the fucking store. Yo, bitch wanna fuck with a real nigga. You ain't about what you rapping, I think she know. You rapping about gun, gotta use it now. Make her back that ass up.
Peace. Ooh wee! Do you hear me? Cuz what's good with y'all, man? Hey, I had to show y'all me. Oh, look. Got the fresh cut. Okay. Okay. Hey, hold on. Yeah, it's right there. Hold on. It's a little hot in here. Hold on, we got to start this up real quick before we get this shit started. There we go. Cuz what's good with y'all, man? Look, this my man's car too, man. Y'all need to go hit him up. Hold on, let it focus. Let it focus. Bang. That's his number. Y'all need to go hit him up. He do his job every single time. Every single time. Like when I say, look at that. You feel me? Hey, ladies, scale me from 1 to 10. Like, you know, scale me 1 to 10. I want to know. I want to know. I like what I see. He did his thing. I don't want him to do nothing different. Every time I come, the same. You feel me? When he start doing shit different, then it's just like, look. Alright, now we about to see who can cut me up and somebody else. That nigga do his thing. But what's good with y'all, man? How y'all feel? It's a very good day outside today. It's 92. It's hot out here. This is the summer I'm talking about right here. Hey, I'm so fucking turned up because I don't have to work today. A great day. It's hot outside. Man, listen here, man. Just stay tuned. Hey, listen. I hope y'all keeping up with Young Blue and my nigga PNB Rock because they are doing their thing. And they just dropped a song called Elevators. Listen, that is my shit. Okay? Listen, it just came out. It just came out. And yes, when I say I was waiting on it, Blue kept talking about the elevators. June 28th, June 28th, June 28th. I said, all right, notifications, press the bell. Okay? Nigga, so when it dropped, I ain't listened to it because I was editing the video as usual. And when I seen it at like around 4 or 5. Man, when I played it, nigga, listen here. I'm like, golly, okay? Cause, oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. These niggas snapped. But my nigga Rock went too hard on my nigga Blue shit. For real, he went too hard. Like, I don't know what he thought. He was just like, nigga, I'm finna go crazy. He literally went crazy. Hey, if y'all ain't gonna listen to that, go listen to that now. It's out, man. It is out. Look, I'm promoting my own nigga shit. It is out. Go listen to it. Hey, I can't wait until they drop a video though. A video? That's what they need to do. They need to drop one of those. Dang, what if they do drop a video? Hey, when they drop a video, let me know. For real. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And it was so crazy. Them niggas my top 2. Top 2, top 3. Nigga, Young Thug #1 on the map. Young Thug. Rich used to be #2. But then, you know, he ain't been making no music, so my nigga Rock popped up there to #2. Then Blue at number 3. 2 and 3 did a song together? What? Nigga, you know I'm gonna rock with it, nigga. I don't give a fuck who it is, nigga. I could be like, Blue ain't go hard on his own shit, but my nigga Rock went hard. Or I could have been like, Blue went too hard on his own shit, and Rock ain't do shit, okay? Like, nigga, them my niggas. Damn. It's a rap, cuz. Go listen to that now. Let me know what y'all think about it. Cause I be putting the niggas on a lot of shit. And niggas don't know about Rock like I do. And I can be putting y'all on some shit with my nigga Rock. And y'all be like, damn, I heard that shit from Blake. Nigga, he put me on. Nigga, I put niggas on a lot of music. A lot of music. Niggas favorite rappers now. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Why this
I am a menace. Keep me a rage, I like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3K with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a coat. I knew that boy was a hoe. Pull up with the gang, you know that we buying it. What is your shit, nigga? What is you claiming?
So we supposed to be going to this party. You know, it's a family members of mine. And as soon as I say that, she just, we need to go to the mall. Nigga, it's a whole hour before we go to this party. A whole hour. And we in Forever 21. She just said, alright, we can go. She turned around and did that.
Did what?
She turned around. She got a culinary shirt on, but don't cook.
This is my shirt. You keep lying, I do too.
Barely. Make some chicken Alfredo. Look, she gonna have her sister make it. And say she cooked it. Hell no.
Tomorrow.
Elevators. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
You've been crying for the last hour. Just crying for no reason. No reason. My nose looks shiny as fuck. Look at Blake.
Damn, these bitches got big.
Big Dusty.
They feel big as shit. What's good with y'all, man? It is a brand new day. Yes, I know. I am sorry about that, but I really had to tell y'all that yesterday I wanted to record, but I couldn't because it was just a lot going on yesterday. When I went to my auntie party, it was just so many people and a lot of family and a lot of music being played, all that shit. So I couldn't get it. I'm like, I'm not even gonna record in here. It's a family function. Fuck it. We just gonna have a good time and have a ball. And I did that. Plus, I got drunk as fuck. Drunk as fuck. I'm talking on my ass the best way I can, you know, the best way I do it, you know. But dude, man, just stick with me today, man. I got what y'all need, and it's about to be a good time, good little vibe, man. I stay with a good vibe. I know I do. I stay with a good vibe with the family, man. Just vibing. Just stay with me. Stay tuned. I'm gone.
Whoa. It's dark.
It ain't that dark, though. Look, though. Been a minute since I started really fucking with
sparklers.
Yeah, but I fuck with these ones. The metal ones. Damn.
Ooh.
I fuck with these. Better than the other ones. They're over there. And I like poppers. I like the old school. You know?
These.
It ain't gonna focus. It's dark. It ain't gonna focus.
Oh, but they get the picture.
Damn,
Oh, there it go.
Bang,
These.
that bitch beautiful.
Oh, shit. He messed one pot with this.
Huh?
You messed one pot with that thing. I don't like them ones for real. I like the new version ones.
Hey.
What?
Yeah, look, them right here. I like these way better than these.
Back up.
You need to light it. What you doing?
You all close to me.
Nigga, I've been in this spot.
I like how these ones light and then they start shooting out.
These bitches weak as hell.
Why you take my sparkler from me?
Shit.
Oh shit. See?
At the wrong time.
Like that real life firework.
Giving him some fire. Oh, giving him his own fireworks.
Y'all watch that one open with these mosquitoes. They bad out here and they might get to the baby.
All right. Look, man. Give him some fireworks.
Oh shit.
Yeah, give him some fireworks. Is this one going out?
Let me see one.
Oh, didn't.
Both of them went out at the same time.
Giving Camrin some fireworks. His little fireworks show. Hey.
Give me another one of the other ones.
Oh. We never opened the box.
No, I was just pulling them bitches out of there.
What the light one?
Good pot.
Hey! Hey, y'all see me though with the... They coming up like they shooting up.
Oh, wait.
Look, hey! He like, these niggas tripping.
He like, nah.
He turned up.
Oh, shit.
He turned up.
What am I fucking doing? Pass the doobie to the left-hand side.
Huh.
Oh, shit.
What are you doing?
Open them up. Voila.
Oh. I'm creative. You see that? They came up like, and then, you see the three, don't play. I'm creative. That was creative. I wasn't even thinking about it, but like, fuck it. Open them up.